Good morning, everybody. I have another Ameritron Al-80b in for repair. So I started diagnosing it, disconnected the positive after the 2 series glitch resistors where it goes over to the plate choke. Needs the filter caps. Always change the bleeders at the same time. They act as equalization resistors also, so each cap has an equal amount of voltage across it since they're all strung in series. So I just got the parts. I'm going to pull the resistors out, all the caps out, and change them all. Needs new SO239 connectors. The one on the input side has no grip. I changed both. This one has some grip, the output one, but I always change both at the same time. So I'll ground the grids right to the metal and do everything else to it. So I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so the old caps have been removed. All the old resistors have been removed. They're over there. So I'm going to put the new ones in. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. Checked it in on all bands, working as it should. Got a brand new Pentalab 3500Z, had an old Machelet brown base China 3500Z in it. Really old one. All the new ones come with the white base. White base ones are better than the brown base. So I'll go over everything I did real quick. Grounded the grids right to the metal with those tabs like I've shown before. Changed the gas discharge tubes to the base of the socket. Did the 10-meter modification. Changed the SO239s. Corrected solder joints. Tightened up on hardware all over the place. Changed all the resistors. Bleeder / equalization resistors. Changed all the electrolytic caps. The Phillips head screws were like super tight. I had to push up on the board underneath underneath the cap as I was pushing down on the screwdriver. I mean, they were like really tight. So I got them all out. No damage to anything. Clean the relays, the TR / bias relay with deoxit gold, soft start relay with deoxit gold. Input rotary switch with deoxit gold, output rotary / band switch with deoxit gold. And that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. It's 203-892-4119. And we have another one, 2 amplifiers over on the bench. I just unboxed today. So lots of Ameritrons, lots of other stuff. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. 73. Have a great day.